When it comes to enhancing the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of homes in Ferndale, installing casement windows is a decision that delivers both functionality and style. Whether you're updating an older home or building a new one, casement windows offer a range of benefits that make them an excellent choice for homeowners. Here's a closer look at why these windows are becoming increasingly popular in Ferndale homes. Unmatched ventilation and fresh air. Ferndale's seasonal climate means that proper ventilation is essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward like a door, allowing them to capture breezes more effectively than other window types. When opened, they act like sails, channeling fresh air into your home and ensuring cross-ventilation. This is especially beneficial during Ferndale's warm summers, as it reduces reliance on air conditioning and promotes natural airflow. Energy efficiency. A cost-saving feature. Energy efficiency is a priority for many Ferndale homeowners, and casement windows excel in this area. Their design allows for a tighter seal compared to traditional sliding or single-hung windows. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame, minimizing air leaks and drafts. This results in improved insulation, helping to maintain indoor temperatures during Ferndale's chilly winters and hot summers. Many modern casement windows come equipped with advanced energy-efficient glass options, such as low-E coatings and double or triple glazing. These features further enhance their ability to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer, ultimately lowering energy bills. Versatile aesthetic appeal. Casement windows are incredibly versatile, complementing a wide range of architectural styles commonly found in Ferndale, from historic homes to contemporary builds. Their clean, unobtrusive lines provide a sleek and modern appearance, while their ability to frame picturesque views adds an elegant touch. Whether you're aiming to preserve the character of a classic Ferndale bungalow or update a modern home with minimalist features, casement windows can adapt to your design preferences. Additionally, they are available in various finishes, frame materials, and hardware options, allowing homeowners to customize their windows to match their interior and exterior decor. Enhanced natural light and view. Ferndale homeowners often cherish the area's scenic surroundings, and casement windows make it easy to bring the outdoors in. Their design typically includes large, uninterrupted panes of glass that maximize natural light and provide stunning views. Unlike double-hung windows with horizontal sashes that may obstruct the view, casement windows offer an unobstructed look at your garden, yard, or the tree-lined streets of Ferndale. More natural light not only brightens your living spaces but also contributes to energy savings by reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Ease of operation and maintenance. Casement windows are designed with user convenience in mind. Most models feature a crank handle, making them easy to open and close, even in hard-to-reach places such as over sinks or counters. This is a significant advantage for seniors or individuals with mobility challenges who might struggle with sliding or lifting heavier window styles. Maintenance is also a breeze with casement windows. Many modern designs allow the glass panes to tilt inward or outward, simplifying the cleaning process. Durable materials, such as vinyl or fiberglass, ensure the frames resist wear and tear from Ferndale's varying weather conditions. Improved security features. Safety and security are paramount for any homeowner, and Casement Windows deliver on this front. Their hook-shaped locks are embedded within the frame, making them more difficult to tamper with compared to traditional window styles. Additionally, because they open outward, it's nearly impossible for intruders to force them open from the outside. Some models even include multi-point locking systems, adding an extra layer of protection for your home. Boost in property value. Installing casement windows is an investment that pays off by increasing your home's value. Potential buyers are often drawn to energy-efficient, low-maintenance, and aesthetically pleasing upgrades like casement windows. By enhancing curb appeal and reducing energy costs, these windows can make your home more attractive in the competitive Ferndale real estate market. Conclusion. Casement windows are an outstanding choice for Ferndale homeowners looking to improve their living spaces. They offer superior ventilation, energy efficiency, and security while enhancing natural light and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're upgrading an existing property or planning a new build, casement windows are a smart investment that combines practicality and beauty. Embrace the benefits of casement windows and transform your Ferndale home into a more comfortable, stylish, and energy-efficient space.